Hello, this is Ken, and thank you for joining me on the Model Building and Retirement channel. And this is our first viewer spotlight feature. This is an experimental feature that I'm going to try out, so let me know how it goes and if you'd like to see more of it. But what it's all about is for a model builder to be able to showcase his kits to a wider audience where he may not have a YouTube channel to share it with. So what you do is you'll just send pictures and a little write-up about your kit to me to be considered for the episode, and you would send that to modelbuildingandretirement@gmail.com. This week I have Jan Reselaar, who's got a Hasegawa Porsche 962 race car, and Darryl Landry, who has a 1968 Revel Dart, actually two of them. So we're going to feature their kits. Let's get right to it. Thank you. Our first entry is from Jan Reselaar, all the way from Spain. Here he is showcasing his Hasegawa Porsche 962C race car, dressed out in yellow number 10 Creamer Racing version. These cars were raced at places such as the 8 Hours of Monza, Italy, the 24-hour Suzuka Japan race, and the 24-hour Le Mans, to name a few. It's a one-piece body shell painted in camel yellow from NR6 paints, and each kit has 3 options for mounting the rear spoiler depending on the racing event. He printed his own decals on a $45 HP inkjet printer using both clear and white Hayes brand decal paper available on Amazon. By the time this posts, Jan will be recovering at the hospital from rectal cancer surgery, so let's send him our prayers for a full, speedy recovery. Our second entry is from Darryl Landry out of New Hampshire. Darryl has submitted 2 versions of the Revel 1968 Dart, both in the tubbed racing configurations. First up is this orange and red Hemi Thunder version. Next is this multicolored Dick Landry 440 Racing version. Darryl didn't offer any other details, so I'm not able to comment much further on the build. Well, that concludes this month's Viewer Spotlight edition. Once again, if you'd like to be considered for an upcoming Viewer Spotlight, I'm going to try to do it at least once a month. You can send me pictures of your car. Let me know the brand of the car, the inspiration for your build. Tell me about the build. Send as best pictures that you can to me at modelbuildingandretirement@gmail.com. And if you do like my content, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that little bell icon. Costs you absolutely nothing, but it alerts you to my upcoming videos. So thanks again for watching, everybody.